Imagine living in a world where a single line of code could determine your future, whether you get that dream job, qualify for a life-saving medical treatment, or even walk free from a courtroom. Now stop imagining, because this isn't some distant future scenario, it's happening right now. In 2023, an AI system rejected a highly qualified software engineer's job application simply because they lived in a zip code that didn't match historical hiring patterns. This single decision didn't just affect one person's career, it exposed a fundamental challenge we face in the age of artificial intelligence. But this isn't just another story about technology gone wrong. It's a wake-up call that echoes across industries, societies, and cultures. As we stand at the crossroads of unprecedented technological advancement, we must confront the ethical challenges that come with it. Today, we're diving deep into the dark side of AI, not to instill fear, but to illuminate the path toward responsible innovation. Let's begin by understanding the scope of what we're dealing with. Artificial intelligence now influences nearly every aspect of our lives, from the content we see on social media to critical healthcare decisions. A recent study by the MIT Technology Review revealed that AI systems now influence decisions affecting over 80% of the global population in some way. Yet surprisingly, only 12% of organizations have comprehensive frameworks in place to address the ethical implications of their AI deployments. Let's explore 5 critical ethical challenges that affect every one of us, whether we realize it or not. Challenge number 1. The pervasive problem of invisible bias. Imagine training an AI system on decades of medical data, only to discover it recommends fewer preventive screenings for certain ethnic groups simply because they historically had less access to healthcare. This isn't hypothetical, it happened with a widely used healthcare algorithm affecting millions of patients across the United States. The system used healthcare costs as a proxy for healthcare needs, inadvertently perpetuating historical disparities in access to care. The implications of algorithmic bias extend far beyond healthcare. In financial services, AI systems have been found to offer lower credit limits to women, even when they have better credit scores than their male counterparts. In criminal justice, risk assessment algorithms have shown bias against certain demographic groups, potentially affecting sentencing decisions. The solution: comprehensive bias auditing frameworks. To address this challenge, organizations are implementing what we call bias auditing frameworks. These frameworks operate on multiple levels. Level 1, Data Audit: comprehensive analysis of training data for historical biases, demographic representation assessment, data quality and completeness evaluation, historical context consideration. Level 2, Algorithm Audit: regular testing against diverse datasets, implementation of fairness metrics across different demographic groups, performance evaluation across various population segments, bias detection in model outputs. Level 3, Impact Audit: real-world outcome monitoring, stakeholder feedback integration, continuous performance adjustment, regular impact assessments. Real-world success story: the City of Amsterdam's pioneering approach to ethical AI serves as a benchmark for others to follow. Their implementation of a comprehensive AI fairness toolkit in their municipal services led to 50% reduction in false flags for minority communities, in benefit fraud detection, 40% improvement in service accessibility for elderly residents, 35% increase in citizen trust in automated systems, creation of the first citywide AI ethics board. Challenge number 2. The black box dilemma: when AI becomes unexplainable. Picture this. You're denied a mortgage, and when you ask why, the bank simply says, the AI system made the decision. This lack of transparency isn't just frustrating, it's a fundamental challenge to human autonomy and dignity. The black box problem in AI refers to systems that make decisions without being able to explain their reasoning in human understandable terms. The complexity of modern AI systems, particularly deep learning models, has created a situation where even their creators can't fully explain their decision-making processes. This opacity becomes particularly problematic when AI systems make decisions that significantly impact people's lives, from loan approvals to medical diagnoses to criminal risk assessments. The solution: explainable AI. ZAI, design. The movement toward explainable AI encompasses several key strategies. 1. Interpretable model design: development of inherently interpretable AI models, use of attention mechanisms to highlight decision factors, implementation of layer-wise relevance propagation, creation of surrogate models for complex systems. 2. Decision path tracking: step-by-step decision documentation, feature importance ranking, counterfactual explanation generation, decision tree visualization. 3. User-centric explanation systems. Natural language explanation generation, visual representation of decision factors, interactive exploration interfaces, customized explanation levels for different stakeholders. Success story. Capital One's implementation of explainable AI in their credit decision system has become a case study in transparency. 25% reduction in credit decision appeals, 45% increase in customer satisfaction, 30% improvement in credit counseling effectiveness, 20% reduction in customer service calls related to decision queries. Challenge number 3. The privacy paradox, the price of personalization. In our increasingly connected world, AI systems thrive on data. Our data. Every click, purchase, and interaction feeds into sophisticated algorithms that learn our preferences, predict our behaviors, and shape our digital experiences. But this personalization comes at a cost: our privacy. Consider these startling statistics. The average person generates 1.7 megabytes of data per second. 90% of the world's data was created in the last 2 years. A typical AI system processes more personal data in a day than a human could analyze in a lifetime. The privacy paradox manifests in several critical areas. 1. Data collection and storage. Excessive data gathering beyond stated purposes. Long-term storage of sensitive information. Unauthorized data sharing between systems. Inadequate data security measures. 2. Inference. Privacy. AI systems inferring sensitive information from seemingly innocent data. Cross-platform tracking and profiling. Behavioral prediction without consent. Identity reconstruction from anonymized data. 3. User control and consent. Complex privacy policies that discourage reading. Limited user control over data usage. Insufficient transparency about data sharing. Difficulty in data deletion and portability. The solution: privacy-preserving AI technologies. Modern privacy-preserving AI encompasses several innovative approaches. 1. Federated learning keeps personal data on user devices. Allows model training without data centralization. Enables collaborative learning while preserving privacy. Reduces data breach risks. 2. Differential privacy adds controlled noise to protect individual privacy. Maintains statistical accuracy for group insights. Provides mathematical privacy guarantees. Allows privacy budget management. 3. Homomorphic encryption enables computation on encrypted data. Preserves data privacy during processing. Allows secure multi-party computation. Facilitates privacy-preserving analytics. Success story. Google's implementation of federated learning in Android keyboards has become a benchmark for privacy-preserving AI. Zero personal data transmitted to servers. 20% improvement in prediction accuracy. 40% reduction in data storage requirements. 100% compliance with privacy regulations. Challenge number 4. The accountability gap. As AI systems become more autonomous and influential, a critical question emerges: who's responsible when AI makes a mistake? This accountability gap becomes particularly concerning in high-stakes scenarios like autonomous vehicles, medical diagnosis, or financial trading. The challenge manifests in multiple dimensions. 1. Legal accountability. Unclear liability frameworks for AI decisions. Jurisdictional challenges in global AI deployment. Difficulty in establishing causation. Limited precedent for AI-related cases. 2. Technical accountability. Complex interaction between multiple AI systems. Difficulty in tracking decision chains. System evolution through learning. Integration of third-party components. 3. Organizational accountability. Distributed responsibility across teams. Unclear chains of command. Multiple stakeholder involvement. Cross-border operations. The solution: comprehensive accountability frameworks. 1. Technical solutions. Decision logging and audit trails. Version control for AI models. Performance monitoring systems. Incident response protocols. 2. Organizational measures. Clear responsibility assignment. Regular ethical audits. Stakeholder engagement programs. Transparent reporting mechanisms. 3. Legal compliance. Regular regulatory reviews. Proactive compliance measures. Documentation requirements. Insurance coverage. Success story. Microsoft's implementation of an AI accountability framework has shown promising results. 40% reduction in AI-related incidents. 60% faster incident resolution. 35% improvement in stakeholder trust. 50% better regulatory compliance. Challenge number 5. The human impact beyond technical solutions. While technical solutions are crucial, we must not lose sight of the human impact of AI systems. This challenge encompasses the social, psychological, and economic effects of AI deployment. Key areas of concern. 1. Job displacement and economic impact. Automation of traditional roles. Skill obsolescence. Economic inequality. Labor market disruption. 2. Psychological impact. AI anxiety and technophobia. Over-reliance on AI systems. Loss of human agency. Digital addiction. 3. Social impact, changed human interactions, community disruption, cultural preservation, digital divide. The solution: human-centered AI development. 1. Inclusive design practices, stakeholder consultation, impact assessment, cultural consideration, accessibility requirements. 2. Support systems, retraining programs, psychological support, community engagement, economic assistance. 3. Cultural integration, local value consideration, traditional knowledge preservation, cultural sensitivity, community participation. Success story: Singapore's national AI strategy has shown how human-centered AI development can work. 50,000 workers reskilled, 30% reduction in AI anxiety, 45% increase in AI adoption, 25% improvement in digital inclusion. Moving forward, building an ethical AI future. The challenges we've discussed aren't just technical problems, they're societal challenges that require collective action. Here's how different stakeholders can contribute. For developers, implement ethical guidelines from the start, regular bias testing and monitoring, privacy by design approach, continuous learning and improvement. For organizations, create clear AI governance structures, invest in explainable AI systems, regular ethical audits, stakeholder engagement programs. For policymakers, develop comprehensive AI regulations, support research in ethical AI, promote international cooperation, protect individual rights. For users, demand transparency from AI systems, understand your digital rights, participate in AI governance, share experiences and concerns. Engagement question: think about an AI system you interact with daily, your social media feed, shopping recommendations, or work-related tools. What ethical concerns have you noticed? How would you want these systems to be more transparent, fair, or accountable? Share your experiences and suggestions in the comments below. The path forward: the dark side of AI isn't inevitable, it's a challenge we can address together. Whether you're a developer, business leader, policymaker, or user, your awareness and advocacy for ethical AI practices matter. Consider these action steps. 1. Educate yourself about AI systems you use. 2. Question algorithmic decisions that affect you. 3. Support organizations promoting ethical AI. 4. Share your experiences and concerns. 5. Demand transparency and accountability. Call to action: subscribe to our channel for weekly deep dives into AI ethics and practical solutions. Download our free, Ethical AI Implementation Guide, using the link below to start applying these principles in your own work or organization. Remember, the future of AI isn't just about making systems smarter, it's about making them more ethical, transparent, and fair. Let's build that future together. Join our community of ethical AI advocates and be part of the solution. Share this video with someone who needs to understand these challenges, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights into building a better AI future. #AI ethics, #responsible AI, #tech ethics, #artificial intelligence, #future of technology.